Freecash can treat a login from a new phone, tablet, or computer differently from your usual device, so a failed login does not necessarily mean your account or balance is gone. The fastest fix is to verify the exact sign-in method you originally used, complete any security verification Freecash requests, and avoid creating a second account. Start by checking your login method. If you originally registered with Google, Apple, email, or another supported method, use that same method on the new device. Signing in with a different method can open a different account instead of your existing Freecash account. If you normally use email and password, enter the credentials carefully and use the password reset option if you no longer remember the password. Check your email for the reset message and make sure you're using the same email address connected to your original Freecash account. If Freecash asked you to verify the new device, complete the verification using the information connected to your account. Check your email inbox and spam folder for security or login messages. Don't repeatedly enter incorrect login details. If the account temporarily blocks further attempts, additional failed attempts can make troubleshooting harder. If you're already logged in on your old device, don't sign out immediately. Keep access to that session while you troubleshoot the new device. You may need information from the existing account to confirm that you're trying to access the correct profile. Also check whether the new device has a VPN, proxy, or unusual network configuration enabled. If Freecash is having trouble recognizing the connection, temporarily switch to your normal network and try again. If the login works but your balance, offers, or account history looks different, stop before completing any new offers. First, confirm that you're actually inside the original Freecash account. One of the biggest mistakes is creating a second account because the first one won't open. That can create an account ownership problem instead of fixing the original login issue. Use the original account and recover access to it. If you've confirmed the correct login method, completed every verification request, and still can't access your account, contact Freecash support. Include the email or login method associated with the account, and explain that the problem started when accessing the account from a new device. Don't send your password to anyone, including support. Use only the official Freecash support process when recovering account access. The key checks are simple. Use the original login method, complete device verification, keep your old session available if possible, avoid creating another account, and contact support if the new device still cannot access the original account. Your next step is to open Freecash on the new device and sign in using exactly the same method you used when you created your account. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash login, account, and payout troubleshooting guides.